clear up some confusion with me. I may have asked you this before. That tail feather beat. Did you do that beat?
Absolutely.
Man, listen. I've been y'all quit calling me a liar when I'm telling y'all stuff that I know what I'm knowing. I lived right next to that bump, 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 bump. I heard it enough times to where when I heard it on the radio, I pulled over. Walt, literally, I pulled over, and I was happy, but I was kind of I was waiting to hear your voice because I had heard it at your studio crib.
Absolutely.
And when I heard what it was for, the soundtrack and who had it, I said, "Oh, my dude done did it. He did it." Take us through that process.
Okay, now this is the thing. During this time when I was doing tracks, I didn't know the value of tracks. I didn't know the value at all.
Go ahead.
I would do tracks. In this particular track, that tail feather track, it was a naked track.
Yeah.
I didn't, I hadn't even planned nothing for it or anything. And one of Nelly's people, we met Nelly as Illamav down in Columbia. We met him down in Columbia. He heard the Black Mafia, no, not Black Mafia, Illamav CD with Don't Piss Me Off.
Don't. Yeah.
Absolutely. Hey, when him and the St. Lunatics heard that beat, they hurry up and ran up to the DJ booth. Said, man, who did them tracks? And, everybody Illamav said, man, Black Wall, he did them. He did the tracks. So, we ended up talking. We exchanged numbers. And, it was one of his guys that was a manager. I can't think of his name, and I'm trying to think of his name. It'll come to me. But he was like a manager, really in them. But anyway, me and him kept in contact. He's the person that heard the beat. When he heard the beat, he said, well, let me get that beat from him. I said, all right, what you going to give me for? He said, man,